Okay, let us see next method of preparation of alkyl halides, and it is halogen exchange. Okay, in last video we have seen how to prepare alkyl halide by using alkene. Okay, now this is third method of preparation of alkyl halide from halogen exchange. Okay, and here two name reactions are there. Okay, so let us see these two reactions. First reaction is Finkelstein reaction. This reaction is mainly used for the preparation of alkyl iodides only. Okay, alkyl iodides are prepared by using this method. So see how the reaction take place. For preparation of alkyl iodide, alkyl chloride or alkyl bromides are used. Okay, alkyl chlorides or alkyl bromides are heated in presence of sodium iodide in acetone. Understand? So see the reaction. Alkyl chloride plus sodium iodide in presence of acetone. Okay, sodium iodide is taken in acetone. So reagent here is acetone. Now see, both the reactants have halogens. Here chlorine is there, here iodine is there. So here exchange of halogen will take place and alkyl iodide will prepare. That's why it is halogen exchange reaction. So see what will happen here. Iodine will take place of chlorine, or we can say chlorine will be replaced by iodine and iodine will be replaced by chlorine. Okay, so see the product Ri means what? Alkyl iodide plus this sodium will combine or will react with chlorine ion. Okay, and sodium chloride will form, precipitate of sodium chloride will form. This downside arrow shows that there is a formation of precipitate. Okay, so NaCl precipitate will form along with alkyl chloride, mixture will form. Okay, then this mixture of alkyl iodide and sodium chloride will be separated and we get alkyl iodide. Similarly, when we take alkyl bromide, okay, alkyl bromide plus sodium iodide in acetone. So here also bromine will be replaced by iodine and iodine will be replaced by bromine. Okay, so here Ri will combine and alkyl iodide will form. Then this sodium will combine with bromine and precipitate of sodium bromide will form. Then this mixture will be separated and we will get alkyl iodide. So this is the method of formation of alkyl iodides, and name of the reaction is Finkelstein reaction of halogen exchange. Okay, let us see one more name reaction is there. So see, next reaction is Schwarz reaction. This is also, here also halogen exchange takes place. Okay, and this reaction is used for the preparation of alkyl fluorides. Okay, and name of the reaction is Schwarz reaction. So here also alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide are used. Okay, and in this reaction metal fluorides are used as catalyst. Okay, metal fluorides like AgF, Hg2F2, AsF3, SbF3, etc. Okay, these metal fluorides are used and these metal fluorides are heated with alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide, and here also exchange of halogen takes place. See, here also two halogens are present. Here chlorine is present and here fluorine is present. Okay, so exchange takes place in such way, chlorine is replaced by fluorine and fluorine is replaced by chlorine. Okay, so alkyl will combine with this fluoride ion and alkyl fluoride will form. Rf means what? Alkyl fluoride. Then this silver ion will combine with chloride ion and silver chloride precipitate will form. Okay, similarly if we take alkyl bromide plus AgF, silver fluoride, okay, this bromine will be replaced by fluorine and fluorine will be replaced by bromine. So it will give us Rf means alkyl fluoride plus silver bromide will form over here. Okay, so this is the reaction for the preparation of alkyl fluoride, and name of the reaction is Schwarz reaction. Understand? Let us see now next. Now see, next method of preparation is the electrophilic substitution. Okay, now you know electrophilic substitution reaction takes place with aromatic compounds. Okay, so this method is used for the preparation of aryl chlorides and aryl bromides. Aryl means benzene ring is present over there. Red chloride means chlorine is there on the ring. Okay, so these are aryl chlorides, and aryl bromides means benzene ring and bromine. One bromine or many bromine can also be there. Okay, so electrophilic substitution is a reaction which is mainly used for the preparation of aryl chlorides and aryl bromides. So see here, aryl chlorides and aryl bromides can be prepared by direct halogenation of benzene and its derivative through electrophilic substitution. Okay, and here reaction conditions are mentioned. So this reaction takes place in dark. Okay, reaction takes place in dark and at ordinary temperature, and the catalysts which used for this reaction are FeCl3 or anhydrous AlCl3. You know, catalysts are used to increase the rate of reaction. Okay, so let us see one example of this electrophilic substitution. Now let us take one aromatic compound or derivative of aromatic compound. Let us see, this benzene ring is there and here CH3 is there. You know, name of this compound is toluene, right? So direct halogenation of this aromatic compound or the derivative of aromatic compound will take, derivative of benzene will take place. Okay, so direct halogenation, for direct halogenation we use molecules of this halogen. Here Br2 has taken, so bromination will take place. Bromine will get added on benzene ring. Okay, and aryl bromide will form. What are the reaction condition? Reaction takes place in dark and at ordinary temperature. Catalyst, among these three, any catalyst can be used. So let us use Fe. Okay, so here toluene will react with molecule of bromine in presence of catalyst Fe in dark at ordinary temperature. So here what will happen? We will get the mixture of ortho and para bromotoluene. Okay, now which position is ortho? This is ortho position and this is para position. So on both positions bromine will attack. So two products we will get over here. Okay, let us see. First we will show this reaction. So this is toluene. Okay, and on ortho position bromine will get added. Okay, bromine hydrogen which was present over here is replaced by bromine. Understand? So that hydrogen which was present at that position will combine with one of the bromine. Here two atoms of bromine are there. Okay, and HBr will form in this reaction. Plus let us show one more product, that is para product. Okay, para position is this position. So here also bromine will get added. Okay, so this is ortho product and this is para product. Understand? Name of this compound is orthobromotoluene is name of this ortho compound, and name of this para compound is para bromotoluene. Okay, in this way we have done bromination of this toluene or aromatic compound. We have added bromine on benzene ring. Okay, and aryl bromide has formed, orthobromotoluene and para bromotoluene. Understand? So this was electrophilic substitution reaction for the preparation of aryl chlorides and aryl bromides. Now let us solve some questions or reactions which are given in exercise in your textbook. Question number 2, do as directed. Okay, in that second some reactions are given. You have to write the major product and you have to write the IUPAC name of that major product. Now see, first one is given is this CH3 CH CH3 CH2 Cl plus NaI. Okay, sodium iodide. Do you remember which reaction is this? This is reaction of halogen exchange and Finkelstein reaction is there. Okay, where alkyl chlorides are treated with sodium iodide and exchange of halogen will take place. Chlorine will replace by iodine, iodine will replace by chlorine in presence of acetone. So what will be the product of this reaction? So see, this is the product. Okay, in place of chlorine iodine will come. This up to here chain will remain same. So CH3 CH CH3 CH2I. Okay, and this sodium will react with chlorine, so sodium chloride will form. Okay, and now name of IUPAC name of this compound we have to write. Numbering will be start in such a way that iodine will get smallest possible number. That means we have to start numbering from this carbon atom 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so let us write the name. At first position iodine and second position methyl group is there. So 1 iodo, 2 methyl and 3 carbon atoms chain is there. So methyl propane. Understand? Now let us see next reaction. CH3CH2Br plus SbF3. Fluorine is there. So this reaction is for the preparation of fluorides. Okay. So this is Schwarz reaction of halogen exchange. Okay. Fluorine will take place of bromine and bromine will take place of fluorine. So let us write the product. So see, in place of bromine, I have written fluorine. Okay. So CH3CH2F. Name of the compound is, at first position fluorine we will show. So 1-fluoroethane. Understand? Let us see next. C. Reaction number C. Okay. CH3CH double bond CH2. So this is alkene and it is unsymmetrical alkene plus HBr and on arrow peroxide is written. Okay. So here addition of HBr across the double bond we have to show, but the reaction will take place according to anti-Markovnikov's rule as we are using peroxide as a reagent. Okay. So according to anti-Markovnikov's rule, negative part will go on more hydrogenated carbon and hydrogen will go on less hydrogenated carbon. So let us write the product. So see the product. Hydrogen is added on CH. So it will become CH2. Double bond will become single bond. And on this carbon atom, bromine will get added. So CH2 single bond CH2Br. Okay. This part. Okay. Now we have to write IUPAC name. Okay. Numbering will be start from here so that bromine will get lowest possible number. So 1 bromo, 3 methyl and 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms. So methyl butane. Understand? Let us see next. See here, cyclohexane and alcohol is attached to it. So it is cyclohexanol. Okay. Plus SOCl2. Okay. SOCl2 is thionyl chloride. First method of preparation. Method of preparation of alkyl halide from alcohols by using thionyl chloride. Okay. So let us see what will happen over here. SO and 2 chlorine are there. ClCl. Understand? So see this SO. Just a minute. This SO and this oxygen, they will combine together and SO2 gas will form. Okay. Then this hydrogen and one of the chlorine will combine and they will form HCl gas. Okay. Plus HCl gas. We have seen this reaction yesterday. Now oxygen and hydrogen have gone. Now 1 chlorine is remaining. That chlorine will attack on this position. Okay. So when cyclohexane ring, chlorine will come on this position. Okay. So this is cyclohexane will become cyclohexyl and chlorine is there. So cyclohexyl chloride. Okay. So from cyclohexanol on reaction with thionyl chloride, cyclohexyl chloride has formed along with sulfur dioxide gas and HCl gas. Okay. Then one more reaction is there. Point number E. Okay. This reaction we have discussed in electrophilic substitution. As it is they have given. Okay. In electrophilic substitution in last video we have discussed same reaction with bromine. Okay. That reaction here discussed with chlorine. Okay. So toluene on reaction with chlorine molecule, reaction conditions are dark in presence of catalyst Fe. We will get two products. One is ortho product and one is para product. Okay. So let us stop here. These all were the methods of preparation of alkyl halides. Okay.